Well, it's sure been a mighty long time since I sat on a little plastic boat. Hey, what's going on? It's Matt. Welcome back to the channel. I am fishing and I'm excited to be fishing. I'm out on the California Delta. I'm in a place that I launch at 100 times. I'm not being creative. It's later in the day. It's not the weekend. I haven't been fishing a lot lately at all, really. And that's not by design. It's just the way it is. You know, it's when this whole pandemic thing hit, it was just kind of chaotic to come out here on the weekends because every wakeboater, every jack off was on the water. So doing it on a weekday. Gonna try to squeeze a bunch of weekday trips in and start fishing a lot again. So let's see if I can't get on some fish today. Let's start off by chucking around a chatterbait just for shits and giggles. I have not been here in so long. I have no idea what's working. I'm sure a Cinco is working because why wouldn't it? My mistake today is that I did not bring a topwater rod. I thought I did, but instead I brought the chatterbait rod, and I don't know, kind of bummed. Might be throwing topwater if I stay out here long enough on fluorocarbon, or I might just strip it down to the braid backing and just chuck around a topwater for a little while. But I know that that's been working out on the Delta lately, so let's just roll the dice. I guess it's Cinco time. Let's just get one in the boat. Fish, 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 fish. Good fish. Decent fish. Right where I thought he would be. Alright, there's the first fish, covered in leeches. This is a typical Delta fish these days. It's so sad to see him like this, man. But there he is. Thanks, buddy. It sucks to see him like that. I mean, I haven't caught a healthy Delta fish in God knows how long. Fish. Whoa. Oh, come on. Okay, I just tied on my go-to crankbait for the Delta, and I'm gonna go hit that riprap over there and then probably start heading back. Been out here for a little while. I've gotten 2 bites, landed 1, both in like probably the 2.5 pound range. Nothing to brag about. It's a little fish on the crankbait, and he's off. Okay, this wind is insane, but crankbait seems to be working. fish. Oh, you got it good. Oh, they're good. Quick release. Might want to consider tightening up the drag a little. Hey, can I get you in the boat? That'd be super. All right, you got another one on the boat finally. No size, that's okay. There you go, little guys. He's eating the drop shot though, which is good. I kind of suspect that by those toolies. Jeez. Fish, or is it? It is a fish. Another little guy. Take that back. This might be the first catch I have with this crankbait. I hate catching little guys on a crankbait because they're just like so squirrely. And go! So that's kind of, I guess, a prototypical day for me on the Delta. I am back in the car, obviously. Kayaks on the roof, and I'm driving home. It was just so super windy out there, and it did not look like it was going to let up. I checked the forecast. Otherwise, I would have stayed out there, but it was getting to be a little bit too unpleasant. So thanks for watching these things. Caught like 6 fish, only landed 3 of them, but who cares? It was an okay day. Talk to you soon. Bye.